Right now, as you can see, the smoke is pulls in. Automatic filter, now it's like a number one. It's very quiet because the air quality is drops for 65. Alright, today we're gonna unbox and take a look at the DDT air purifier, and we have a smoke and the smell test we're gonna do on this video a lot. So in the box you want to receive instruction manual and the filtration device itself. That's an interesting packaging, right? Power cord all the way on the bottom. So power cord more than enough. Power cord connects to here, and this part it goes there. So what we have here, the multicolor display. So 4 different modes of the fan. Alright, it's going to be in the quiet mode, is automatic mode, and it's automatically start activate when it sense air quality lows. Right now we have all the buttons, touch buttons on the top. Right away you can buy the multiple colors. If you don't like the white, you can buy the black, and any colors they're offering. They offer the multiple colors. On the front we have a nice beautiful colorful screen. And the mode, it has a 4 different fan mode, or automatically sleep and on mode. And on the top you have a timer also, whatever you want to put the time on. So being the multi-fan, like it's pulls from the both sides. A lot of air purifiers only the pulls from the bottom side or the one side. This pulls from the both side, and it's going to be good to 3,000 square feet the place. So it's like a large area, so you can filter out the air. So also the filtration, it's going to be H414, HEPA 14, then rather than a lot of air purifiers, they're using the H13, the filtration. So this one is going to be actually this step up. Before you clogged out your H14 filters, as you can see, they implement, this is the screen for the filtration. All the large hairs, a lot of bigger dust, before clogged out your H14 filters, it's going to be filtered out here. So this is huge addition. Then just suck everything in the H4 filter. So the filtration is good. Make sure you open this and you remove the plastic. A lot of videos, like viral videos, you can see the people, even the circle ones, they never use the plastic. They were using the plastic, and then they were saying, oh, its filtration is good. But actually, if you don't remove the plastic, it's not gonna filter up very well. So here we see a turbine on the front side, right? So on the turbine is a pulse on this side, and we have another system on the back. So we're gonna insert this. I'm gonna insert this part here. So all of them has to sit in the same spot. And we're gonna insert this part here. So one side is ready now. The other side, and as you can see, even the HEPA filter surroundings is gonna be foam mesh. So it's going to be clear up, and we don't have any vacuum leaks surrounding. Same scenario here, we have another removable mesh, so it's going to be filtered out the HEPA. H14 filter. Now I think our filter is ready. Here's the sensor, air quality sensor. So on the top now, what are we going to do? We're going to turn on, and I'm going to start to listening the first fan speed, how quiet this fan is, right? So actually is this sleepable or not. So the fan is very quiet, but it puts up still decent air out. 3 is the maximum, and we can put the auto as soon as it goes to the sensing. Suction is decent, and the air goes up. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you like I promised. We're gonna put auto, and we're gonna make smoke on the back right here. All right, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the smoke on the sensor. Its auto is now very low, and we have a lot of smoke here. As you can see, it's supposed to hit very hard right now. Right now, as you can see, the smoke is pulls in. Automatic filter now hits all the way top. I think that this is a lot of smoke here, right? And it's when it pulls out, is all the smoke disappears, and it's all the kicks on like in the maximum, because its filter is sensing the air quality is not good. And as you can see, this is a lot of smoke on here, right? This is the smoke is going on here. All right, as soon as it goes inside the filter, hope I'm demonstrating right. So now it's actually, it doesn't smell at all. Okay, the other side. And it shows 999. It means air quality is very bad, right? So because it's sensing the smoke, 720, 760, 560. So it's gonna show how many meters square feet it's the cleaning out, and the smoke quality, it's how much better or the worst. It's showing air quality and how much air it's doing. So yeah, another great product. All right, as you can see on the screen, I don't know, can you see it? It's actually air quality measured. It's from 999 almost 1,000, right? It goes down to 200 something, and it goes to slowly down as soon as the filter it's actually cleaning off the surroundings. So there's very good options. Most of the time I'm gonna just keep it on. It slows down automatically, you see the auto. So most of the time I'm gonna just connect it, and I'm gonna forget it, put the auto. So as soon as the filter sense anything on the air, it's gonna be start to, you know, the maxing out. It cleans a lot of tons of stuff. So another great product is the Home Edition. I tried to demonstrate for you guys how this filter is suction works. Now it's like a number one. It's very quiet because the air quality is drops for 65 from 999. It goes to 600, 500, then drop it down. So what else I have? I have a good lock system and the HEPA system. The separate button I can turn on, turn off, and also I can lock the screen so that the kids or the pets are not gonna touch it, all that stuff. Sleep, we can put it on the sleep, and the sleep it's gonna be very quiet to work, but it's still gonna work, still is gonna clean the air. Great product from Amazon. They send me to